It is April 10th, 2013. This is Romy, and I am documenting our incredible ice storm that we have been having since yesterday. It's early in the morning, and school is canceled, of course, because transit is treacherous. But we have so many branches down in Sioux Falls, and this is the worst ice storm I can ever remember. My car is coated with ice now from overnight. This is our buckthorn tree, which is normally standing upright and has split down, and the weight is just breaking it up. All night things have been falling, branches. Yesterday on the way home from school in the afternoon, I went past the Sherman Park and the zoo, and it was like every tree in Sherman Park had some damage. It's unbelievable. Most of the young trees have a total coat of ice, like glass on them. It's our front yard. More broken up there that hasn't fallen down. It's kind of slick here. I gotta be careful. Next door at Marcy's, there's branches down. Across the street, more. Kitty corner there, across the block, that big tree is just coming down in chunks. All gone. And you can see here, Dale's truck hasn't been cleaned off since yesterday, and it's totally sealed in ice. More than a half-inch thick. We had about 3/4 of an inch of rain yesterday, and it all froze. We have more down in the backyard, but I don't think I can safely walk out there just at this moment. And on top of all the ice, well, the branches are like that. They're as big around as bratwurst covered with ice. And then on top of all the ice, we had some more snow stuff last night, so it's pretty nasty. And the sound is really weird. You can hear the wind isn't strong, but you can hear it making everything crinkle and crunch. There's a little traffic now that it's light, but not too much. I'm hoping the microphone is picking up that sound. It's kind of creepy, scary. There's another down the block there. The big tree, pretty much out. One of the neighbors has got a rake there. He's trying to clean up all the little stuff. I've just never seen anything like this before, both for the thickness of the ice and for how it has like direction on it. Up there in the top center, maybe you can see there's like icicles growing off those branches. Something else is falling, I can hear it. I'm leaving.